Hello, my beautiful people. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching me from. How are you all doing? Welcome to Nife's Kitchen. Today, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make Moin Moin beans pudding. So these are the ingredients we're going to be needing for it. So here we have thyme, half TSP of thyme. We have ginger, half tablespoon of ginger. We have curry, 1 tablespoon of curry. And we have salt, 1 TBS of salt. We have shrimp. And here is crayfish. And here is no chicken cube. And this is corned beef. And this is red bell pepper. And this is the spicy one. And this is onions. And this is oil. And this is boiled eggs. And here we have fish, I'm using mackerel fish, which we call Titus fish. And this is the beans. So here I have 15 cups of beans here that I've peeled and washed. So if you guys remember my last video, I showed you guys how to peel your beans, the easiest way to peel your beans. So now let's get the job started. So all what we need to do is just to cut off the head of the fish. And then just slice out just this way. And the other one, cut off the head. Just cut the fish just this way. So then we bring out the dirties and wash the fish. So now I've washed and dried the fish. So all what I need to do now is just to add like 10 ml of Maggi to both. Then mix them all together. Make sure it goes all around of the fish. So I hope you guys can see it clearly. So the next thing I'm going to be doing now is just to roast this fish in my air fryer. But you can grill the fish as well, and you can as well use any type of fish you like. So I want to cut this into 2 to make it faster. So we're going to be doing this for like 30 minutes. Our fish is ready now. I hope you guys can see this. Yeah. So now you leave the fish to cool down for like 5 minutes. Then you remove all the bone from it. You remove all the bone and cut it into small pieces. So all right guys, the next thing to do now is to blend our beans. So you add red bell pepper. As you are blending, you are adding. So you add onions. You add water. This is what we're looking at. But make sure you blend it very smooth. So I'm going to repeat the same process. But this time around, I'm going to add my shrimp, my nut chicken seasoning, I add more red bell pepper and the spicy one, and onions. Then I add water. Then we blend again. Smooth as well. So you keep repeating the same process until you are done with all the beans and the red bell pepper. So here I'm going to add the salt and the thyme as well. Now let's add the ginger and the curry to make sure that everything is well mixed together. So now my people, we're done blending all the beans. So the next thing to do now is that we're going to need a turning stick. So you turn everything together to make sure that everything is well mixed. Now the next thing, we're going to add our oil. You can use any oil of your choice. So we mix all together gently. So now this is well mixed. So this is what I'm going to be using for the Moin Moin. And this is the cover. But I'm going to show you guys how to use foil paper if you want to use foil paper in case you don't have this or you don't seal this. So I will show you how to make use of foil paper as well. So now I have the fish here. And this is the crayfish. And you can seal the egg. And this is the corned beef. So the next thing, so you're going to be needing this like a spray oil. So this won't allow it to stick inside the bowl. Then you put your fish, your crayfish. the corned beef, the egg. Then you add a little more, not too full. Then you cover it. You repeat same process. You put the fish, the crayfish, the egg, not too full. Make sure you spray this so that the momo won't stick inside. So you keep repeating the same process until everything is done. Alright guys, the next thing that I'm going to be doing right now, I've put the pot right on the stove and put water, so the water is already done boiling. So the next thing to do is to arrange this inside. So alright guys, let me show you guys how you're going to use a foil paper if you want to use it for your own. All what you need to do is just to fold it into two parts. And fold the tip again the other side, and then to the bottom side, fold it twice, and then fold the side one more time, and then fold this side twice again. So now you're good to go for your moin moin. Then this way. You can make it 3 times this side to make it convenient for you. Then you put your spray. Then you add. So you put everything you want to put inside, then you fold just like this. Hello my people, our beans pudding is ready, our moin moin, as you can see. So let me bring this closer to you guys so that you can see. Wow, this tastes so nice. All right guys, see you guys in my next video. Make sure you guys try this out and let me know how it goes. Thank you. Please press the subscribe button, like and comment on that. Thank you so much. God bless you. Love you.